Okay folks, this is a demo for Airmail running on a Raspberry Pi using X86 to emulate X86 and a Wine on top of that to emulate a Windows environment. And you can see, you don't see any emulations going on here or anything, but I'm going to click on the, we're going to see this for speed and everything. I'm going to click on the Airmail for Winlink on the application button there. Let's see, coming up, boom. So that's our application and everything, and I'm going to open up the modem window. It's our modem window, and you'll hear the modem pick up. Picked up. And then we'll check propagation here. There's our propagation. So these windows are coming up pretty snappy here. And you know, it looks like our propagation looks pretty good on the channel we're on right now here, but you can use rate control and you can switch. You can see I can change the frequency here. And it's kind of hard to see that with the glare. But it did change the frequency, and I can change it to, so rate control is working and propagation is working. And then I'm going to tune the radio here, and it's tuned, and we'll send and receive. Oh, before I send and receive here, why don't I'm going to compose an email, a simple email. I'm going to send it. And I'm going to send it to myself. We'll just call that test. One, two, three, four. And this was a critical piece here, because with the spell checker enabled, this doesn't work. And all you see is blank. But with the spell checker disabled, I can put in here and I can type test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the mailbox. And then before I do this, I did want to mention that the catalogs do work on this as well. And you can see the catalogs here. If I wanted to check any of these boxes and send and receive email, those do work. And that the groups do work too. If I wanted to take and make a grid, I could, of weather, and send for a grid through the catalogs. So it's pretty much fully functional except for spell check, and I'm not that critical on the spell check. Now, let's do a send receive here. And hopefully this will pick up here. Propagation is propagation. We're in aluminum forest. When I say aluminum forest, we're in a marina. Oh, it picked up. We're in a marina here in Mazatlan, Mexico. So it picked up. Sending and receiving. Sure. See all the action going on here. See, we're sending. I'm going to expand this window here so we can see this. Expand this window so we can see what's going on. It's sending email. And I could have received an email as well. And that's how it works. Hoping you guys enjoyed this, and you take care.